10 acres or so.
And what, do you want me getting up early in the morning and running around in the tractor?
Yeah, and I want to see you feeding the pigs.
Oh, okay. Feed the pigs. I don't think so.
And I want lots of animals, too. Just like, we'll put up a wood fence in the front and just have all the cows and chickens and horses and goats and pigs.
Wait. If you're going to have a lot of different animals, you have to keep them apart, because if you don't, they'll eat each other up.
Not my animals. My animals are going to get along great.
Whatever you say.
You know, I've been thinking about maybe having some little animals of our own.
Kids?
Why not?
Yeah, but what about the singing and the touring? And you want to give it up?
No, of course not. We could just take the kids along with us. I mean, it's a family act, right?
So you're talking kids, the career, and a farm with lots of animals.
Yeah. Why not? Anything's possible.
Kids, huh? Okay. Let's do it.
Yeah?
Yeah. Let's get started.